How to connect a hollow cord like an I-cord with pizzas. On one needle, we cast on 3, 4, or 5 stitches using a universal method. It all depends on how thick we want the cord to be. I cast on 3, and we turn the knitting. In the first row, we will alternate by knitting 1 stitch in the front. I knit through the back loop, but it can also be done through the front loop. And the next stitch is simply slipped onto the right needle without knitting the yarn in front of the work. Next, we repeat everything just the same. I have 1 stitch left, so I knit it in the front. If there were another stitch, I would slip it without knitting. We turn the knitting. In the second and every subsequent row, we look at the previous row we knitted. If we knitted that stitch in the front in the last row, we will slip it in this row, and vice versa, resulting in a straight cord of stitches. Each new row will start either with a knit stitch or with a slipped stitch. If, however, you have an even number of stitches cast on, then each new row should be knitted like the first row. Essentially, we are knitting a regular hollow ribbing.